Hello, FiveM community. Welcome back to another video. In this, we will be showing you how to add dynamic city polls onto your FiveM server for a new immersive experience to your players. Upon downloading the file from Keymaster, you will be getting these three files in which you can take out the colors folder since you will be copying files from it only. Now, once that is done, let's start getting the files done. Open the colors folder, which you just took out, and open the files folder in it. You will be given all the color options which you can change into. Now let's select a color. In my case, I am selecting violet for the video. Upon opening the violet folder, you will be having this three folder. You have to open the meta replace folder and copy all those files, and on your resource folder on the left, open stream, and there would be a meta replace folder. Just paste all those files into it. Do note that if you have any road change maps or doesn't want to change the light coming out of the poles, you can skip this step now. Once that's done, we have to stream the models in this. You can try and use different combinations according to your preference. Let's say you want all polls to have banners, then you can copy all the files from replace with banner onto the stream folders, wider replace, and vice versa. If you don't want any banners on the polls, you can just copy all files from replace without banner and paste in onto wider replace, and you can also do combinations or less amount. Let's say I don't need this poll to have banner, but rest all should do. I can just look at the name and copy that one only from the replace without banner. Now, once that's done, you need to change the texture and color on the polls. Open, and load your folder, then open the YTD folder in Stream, where you will be having 4 YTD files in which you need to change city banner 01 for changing the banner on the pole, and change the LED color to change the LED strip color on the pole. You can use the LED color folder for all the colors to change into, or you can use your own texture. You can either change the banner for all YTD so that the city throughout will be having that color, or you can change it separately so some will have this banner and some will have another. On our case, we will keep it as it is. Now, once that's done, let's get into the server. And that's it. You just remastered all your city polls on your server. Now enjoy role-playing with a completely new experience. Good luck, bye!